Hello students, welcome to the India's largest live learning platform, that is GradeUp. And yes, this is the Achievers Corner, and we have yet another achiever from with us. That is from the Electronics and Communication Engineering, Sai Vamshi, having secured all India rank 9th in the GATE 2021 examination. That's a big success, a single digit rank in the GATE examination. So here we are here to discuss the strategy followed by Sai Vamshi and what students can learn from his strategy so that you can get a single digit rank. Welcome Sai to the session.
Thank you for welcoming to this session, sir.
So before we start off any question answers, I want you to introduce yourself. Your rank, your qualification, everything.
Okay, sir. I am Daswati Sai Vamshi. I am pursuing final year BTech in Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Kakinada. I am from Tiruvuru near Vijayawada. I had secured Air 9 in GATE 2021 ECE.
Right.
Thank you for welcoming me to this session.
Yes. Sai, what's your marks and score at this rank? Marks out of 100?
Marks 68.33, sir, and score is 970.
970. Okay, great. So, you said you are in final year. So,
Yes, sir.
when the students are in final year, they also commonly have the option of campus placements. So, did
Yes,
you
sir.
opt for campus placement or your main focus was GATE?
Although my main focus was GATE, I attended campus placements and I got three placements.
Okay, you got 3 placements. So, that's fantastic. And what is the highest among them package you got?
4.5.
4.5. So, I believe many students in, private engineering colleges these days, even if they're getting the package of 2 to 3 lakhs, they are quitting any competitive preparation. So, even after getting a placement, what made you motivated towards GATE? What was the main motivation behind appearing in the GATE examination?
I want to join in some of the PSU, sir.
All right. Yes. So,
So I prepared for GATE.
okay, yeah. Because of course, in these days, if your dream is PSUs, so of course, GATE is one-stop solution, you can say, for most of the PSUs.
Yes, sir.
So great, you have achieved your success finally. So, getting All India rank 9 and 68 marks, this year it was relatively low scoring, as we all know, for the electronics. So,
Yes, sir.
did you focus on all the subjects equally, or did you leave any subject, or did you face any difficulty in some subject? What was your approach?
As I had taken coaching after second year, but present year the syllabus had changed, no, sir. The change topics I can't focus on that more.
Okay. Change topic means like some, changes were there in EDC
Yes,
and circular waveguides in EMT added, like these some topics were there.
yes.
Some were
I
removed.
have left the topics.
Yes. So otherwise, all of the subjects you focused.
Yes.
Right. So, many students, while their preparation, especially while they're at the end stage of the preparation, they come up with a common doubt. I have seen this in my 11 years of teaching experience that, students at the last, they have the option, sir, whether I leave this subject or whether I leave that subject. So is it a good decision to leave any subject in an exam like GATE?
No, it is not good decision, sir, because we can't expect we can expect easy questions in some years, and they give some tough questions in that subject. If the questions are easy, we may lose the marks.
Exactly. That is what actually this year happened. EMFT, usually students are paired, but this year EMFT was very easy. On the other hand, control system is normally very easy, but this year we can't say difficult, but it was little good control system level. So
basic subjects are somewhat tricky in this year, sir.
Yes, so I think coverage should be for all subjects. So that should be followed by all the aspirants, those who are preparing for GATE or ESE next year. Are you also preparing for ESE now or any other exam, or you're satisfied with your success?
Sir, for ESE, I have not satisfied the eligibility criteria.
Okay. Maybe age eligibility criteria.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So no worries. So anyways, right now, though, you have the option of PSU, so it's not a big matter for you. So, while you were preparing, as you told, you are preparing almost from second year. So you might have, faced certain challenges, also ups and downs while you are preparing. Some challenges will always be there in a student's preparation life. So what are challenges you faced and how you overcome those challenges?
While writing some of the test series, we may get upside and downs, right, because some tests are lengthy, and we may not seen the topic further before while during the preparation. But while writing the test series, we encounter those new topics, and we may think that these topics are not covered by us, and we think that our preparation is not correct.
Yes. So like tests sometimes demotivated you. So
Yes,
on
sir.
the whole, if I ask you approximately how many tests you might have appeared, including subject test and mock tests and topic wise test, everything approximately in a number you can say
100.
100.
100.
So almost, for every of the top rankers, like top 10, top 20, I'm hearing almost the same number, 100 or some even say 200. So that clearly shows that for upcoming students, online tests will play a major role. And many students, they don't want to appear in online tests because they have a fear. What will happen if it goes wrong? So definitely, as you're telling, some of your tests went wrong. So after
Yes, sir.
wrong, what was your next step? Okay, it is maybe a demotivation for 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, but then what was the next step? Okay, test has gone wrong, but what should be done next if it is not right?
From that test series, we have to learn new concepts, and although we know the concept, the way of answering the question may be different to different solvers.
Yes,
We have to learn the method which is easy and less time taking.
exactly. That means whatever mistakes and whatever marks we are losing will should make us learn a lot. Whether we are lacking in concept, whether we are doing some calculation error, or whether we are panicking at the exam time. Solving a question normally and solving a question and a test is a
Yes.
different. Okay, so I think students should learn from the test. So it is not at all a bad idea to give the test and as early as possible. Right? Yes. So, Shai, you being a grade up super student, how did you come to know about grade up and how did grade up help you in your preparation?
My friends have suggested me to use the grade up app, which contains a lot of practice questions, and it also provides previous year's papers to analyze our subject knowledge,
Right,
and it also gives some quizzes uh, which are subjective,
right.
and we also get some related posts to prepare.
Mhm.
These all helped me a lot during the preparations.
Okay. So quizzes, practice questions, they help you a lot in your preparation.
Yes, sir.
So, in your preparation journey, how much did you focus on the previous year gate questions? See, although we know previous year gate questions will not repeat, the very less chances.
Yes, sir.
But still, is it advisable for the fellow students to practice previous year questions?
After completion of the revision, we attempted those previous year's papers to analyze ourselves, sir, but not for some other purposes.
Yes. So to analyze,
After completion,
give you an idea कि how the level of the gate is means whether you
yes, sir.
match with that.
Previous year's papers are only beneficial after the completion of revision.
Exactly. Yeah. Correct. So means students should follow previous year. According to you, at least how many years students should follow? 5 years, 10 years, 20 years minimum. What
10
should?
to 10 to 15 years are enough, sir, because the pattern was different in those years.
Yes. This 65 question pattern is going on from 2010.
Yes, sir.
So at least from 2010, students should follow. And then from 2014, paper became online. So introduction of NAT questions. So that also
Yes.
came level of questions. Right. So approximately, when did you complete your syllabus for Gate 20?
Before 6 months occurring of gate examination, sir.
Okay. So means almost when you were in your seventh semester, July, August, around your syllabus.
Yes.
Okay. And then somewhere in the month of July, August, only the new pattern came. And as you were mentioning, you
Yes,
did not focus much on the new topic. But that is okay. That was a syllabus angle. But with the new pattern, the MSQ pattern came up. So did you worry that time? What is this new pattern? How did you handle the sudden news that syllabus pattern is changed?
pattern is not a matter, sir, but syllabus is matter.
Yeah, exactly. Pattern is not a matter because it is changed and it is changed for everyone, not only for one specific student. Okay, so only thing is you should align yourself to MSQ. Although they did not ask any MSQ in Gate 21,
Yes, sir.
but still we should be prepared for maybe upcoming years they can ask MSQ. Right. So what was your revision strategy? You told you had sufficient time for revision. 6 months you were having the revision. So what was what all you did in the revision? Whether you only revised the theory or solved questions or test series, what was the main thing?
I revised the topics which I felt difficult during the solving the problems in test series,
Right.
and new concepts I encountered during the writing test series, and I have prepared short notes, sir, which is helpful to regain the topics which I become forgotten every time.
Okay.
And I solved the previous year papers during the last 6 months.
Yes. So means revision of notes as well, previous year questions, and short notes helped you a lot, I can say.
Yes,
Especially in the last 30 days or 40 days, how many mock tests you appeared in? Full mock tests.
I have attempted one test for every 3 days, sir.
One for every 3. Means in the last 30, 40 days, nearly 10, 15 approximately, you attempt. So, when you're giving the mock test, that is a 3-hour full in front of the computer screen, how much did the mock test help you?
In some of the tests, I felt discouraged by the test, sir. But after the completion of test, I come to know that all of attempted achievers are not perfect than me.
Yeah, exactly.
But I observed that the marks which we get in test series are not a matter, but we have to learn some new concepts and solving methods in test series, which may helpful in final examination.
Right. See, even if you solve 10 mock tests at the last, that is 650 fresh questions. Right. So you also practice 650 questions. That's a big number.
Yes, sir.
Other than that, time management also you learn.
Yes, sir.
And GATE, for 1 year, GATE has to make only one paper for electronics as of now. But when you are solving any test series of any of the institute, they have to make at least 10, 20 mock tests. So of course, sometimes they will be making easy, sometimes they will make difficult, sometimes in one single paper, communication is lot, sometimes in one paper, EDC will be lot, because they have to make several papers. But GATE will make a balanced paper. So it is not about, in one of the papers you can score like 80 plus also. In some of the paper, you might be scoring 40, 50 marks also. But at least you might have learned about the time management.
Yes, sir.
So, and new questions. So that's a great thing to follow in the last 30, 40 days. So, according to your complete preparation strategy for GATE, whether it is about concepts or whether you talk about previous year questions, online test, revision, what is your, advice to the fellow aspirants? Like already now it is April or May. Okay, what the students should do in the upcoming time, in the remaining time left out?
One has to complete the full syllabus before 5 to 6 months, sir. At least for 3 to 4 months, they have to concentrate on revision and the topics which they are forgetting while writing test series. And my advice is to attempt more number of test series to get perfect and more accurate. And they may also get to know the time management in final examination, and they may not lose some simple questions in final examination.
Yes, so I hope students, those who are listening to this video, they will try to follow, because All India Rank 9, especially this tough competitive examination like GATE, one of the toughest examination for engineers, you can say, GATE and ESE. And if you have got All India Rank 9 words, speech by All India Rank 9, so definitely students should take some advice and try to focus more on the tests, your concepts, previous year questions. So Sai Vamshi, thanks a lot for joining us and giving your valuable advice, because I believe this can, be very helpful for the fellow aspirants, and this may be a game changer also for them, because at the end of the day, students need motivation. Books are, with everyone, but who is motivated and consistent till the end, he wins the race. I think it might be the situation with you also. At the beginning, when you started, many of your college mates have started with you preparing for GATE. Okay, but not everyone has got a single digit rank like you. Okay, so why you got 9th rank and why some of them did not from your college? What factor you can say distinguishing?
It might be time management, sir.
Exactly, time management and your dedication. Means if you're preparing till the end. Because even if you leave just 1 month before, stop preparing, then you might not be getting the good rank in the GATE.
Nice.
So consistency is a very key word in the examination like GATE. So great motivation by you, Sai Vamshi, for the students. Thanks a lot for joining us. So I hope you get a PSU of your choice. Of course, All India Rank 9. जो PSU आएगा अभी तक, this time we don't have that much of vacancies, but still whatever is coming, because of COVID it is late, many more can come. But since you are a single digit ranker, you will have all your choices. So I think it's just the beginning of your success. Your career has to go on very heights right now. It is just first step to your success. So me and the whole Grade Up team wishes you, much more success in your entire career. Right? Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.